The challenge we had before is when we were building a product, okay, software, any kind of software product using traditional programming languages, it took us a long time until we get into a stage that we are ready to go to the market now and test the product. Most of the time that was too late because we spent months building a product and then we go to the market to find out that this is not the product that our customer is needed or is looking for to solve their problem. And that was we chose AppSheet because it's you can build a product quickly, just like really quickly with a simple database from Google Sheet and get like a ready product, although it's a simple product, and just give it to the customer and test it and then come back and modify on it. The contractor and field service app. For example, the contractors, once they finish building all these units, they send the technician or the engineers with the app, and then take a photo of the snags and everything just to give the final report. The concept was, okay, I have someone on the field and he's got an app and he can report everything by typing and by photo, and at the same time send it back to somewhere where everyone can see and and have a look at. So you get more and more information, and it helps the users and the management to take better decisions actually to improve the work.